Ladies and gentlemen, this video aims to tell you about the danger of Videostream.red pop-ups. The pop-up says Videostream.red wants to show notifications. Press Allow to confirm I am not a robot. Click on Allow to confirm that you are not a robot. Now, the information presented in these pop-ups is absolutely faulty. You should not click on any buttons as these pop-ups suggest. In fact, the only correct solution in this case is to close this pop-up window. But the problem is that it may reappear in a while, and it is also quite possible that your system is now messed up by certain adware type software. You should again disregard these alerts because they are fake human check, and there is no need for you to click on any button, and in fact it's dangerous if you click on allow button. Now I'll show you what needs to be done if you have mistakenly done that. Now watch carefully as I demonstrate that to you. As you see, the pop-up redirected us to some other dangerous resource, and this is what is happening when people mistakenly authorize those push notifications. You need to do the following. Go to the browser menu, click on Settings, scroll down to the Advanced section, select Site Settings, and now Notifications. There will be two sections called Block and Allow. You need to inspect the Allow section, and if you find this Videostream.red website, you need to select this option and click on Remove. Another important step, I believe, is that you scan your Mac device with the reliable antivirus software for Mac, and Combo Cleaner is the right choice for that. You may download Combo Cleaner with the help of combocleaner.com official website, and then you need to start the program using your Launchpad. It's a Combo Cleaner Premium version in my case, and it will help you to analyze the safety of your Mac, to inspect how safe your Mac is and whether it is remaining vulnerable before some other cyber threats. Click on Start Combo Scan button to initiate the scanning process, and if you need more help on our part, feel free to get in touch with us. Thanks for watching.